respected principal, reverend sisters, dear teachers, and all my dear friends. On this glorious day, we, the students of class 7th A, welcome you to our special assembly dedicated to our beloved nation. Let's begin our assembly with a prayer song. On 26 January 1950. It reminds us that we are free to choose our leaders and live with right, equality and justice.
This day also inspires us to be responsible citizens and to work for the unity and progress of our nation.
To remind ourselves the true meaning of Republic Day, we will now present a short skit entitled The Makers of Our Republic.
Today, we are here to honor the dream that became reality on 26 January 1950, the day India became a republic. Two great leaders, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, shaped that dream into destiny.
Dr. Ambedkar, the chains of slavery are gone. Now we must build a nation of equality and justice.
Yes, Panditji, true freedom lies not in independence alone, but in the rights of every citizen, rich or poor, man or woman.
Our republic must stand for the peace and progress.
And it must protect every cause because democracy is not a gift, it is a responsibility.
This Republic Day, let us protect the equality we fought so hard to achieve.
Fraternity means helping others without discrimination. When we respect difference, we strengthen the spirit of fraternity.
Dr. Ambedkar, what should we do to keep your dream alive?
Study hard, raise your voice for justice, respect every Indian as equal.
Nehruji, your message for today is here.
Let science, knowledge and unity be your tools and love for the nation be your strength.
On the first Republic Day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was sworn in as India's first president. With faith in our future, with courage in our hearts, and with the blessings of Almighty God, I, Rajendra Prasad, take my place today as the first President of Republic India. Republic Day is not just a celebration, it's a promise to protect the values our leaders gave us. We are Indians first and forever!
India began a new chapter on Republic Day. Let us now present how our Republic has grown into modern India. Digital India transformed the way we live. Online classes, digital payment and e-governance connects every citizen and make life easier. Indian scientists have made the nation proud through space missions and innovations. Education and healthcare have strengthened our nation. Schools, universities and hospitals help to create an informed and healthy society.
India focuses on clean energy, cleanliness and protecting nature. Saving the environment is our duty.
Republic Day celebrates not just our constitution but also the spirit of unity and patriotism. To express this, our friends will now present a patriotic dance performance, so let's welcome them.
members of the staff, and blooming buds of Bharat. A very good morning to you all and a very happy Republic Day. I am really very happy to be part of this program, which is really inspiring, and I really appreciated all the programs that you have performed here from the very beginning of the parade till the last speech by a little boy. So I congratulate all students and all those who are behind this program. I would like to thank our Assistant Principal for having given me this opportunity to be part of this day. We know that 26th January is not simply a date in a calendar. And in the display I saw that Digital India, a boy displayed all the symbols of Digital India. And I know that you are all very expert in using social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. That's very good. You have to use. But I request you to be careful in using all social media. That freedom with responsibility, using everything responsibly. I mean that now you are students. You have to study, that is the priority. With that, let me conclude, and once again, I wish you a very happy Republic Day, and enjoy the day and be good citizens of our India. Jai Bharat.